Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, I want to start a complete tutorial for learning Java programming language from basic to advanced level. Okay, so anyone of you, if you want to learn Java programming language from basic to advanced level, you can follow my this tutorial for learning Java programming language fully. Okay, so let's start from introduction to Java programming language. Okay, so what's Java? Java is a high-level programming language. Originally, it is developed by Sun Microsystems. Java is originally developed by Sun Microsystems, but now it's owned by Oracle Corporation. Okay, so for the first time, Java was released in 1995. Okay, and has since become one of the most popular and widely used programming language in all over the world. Java has become so popular and most widely used programming language in nowadays. What is the reason? What is the reason that Java has become so popular and most widely used programming language? Okay, so because of the some feature that Java has, because of these features, Java has become most widely programming language in all over the world. The first feature is platform independently. Okay, when you create an application or software in Java programming language, you can run that application or software in multiple platforms. You can run this application in Windows, either in Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, etc. Okay. The second feature of Java is object oriented. Java is fully object oriented programming language. It means when we use Java programming language, we will work on object and class base. Okay, the third feature is robust and secure. Java is very robust and strong programming language and has very strong security. Because of this feature that Java has, Java is used for developing enterprise applications. Also, because of having the high security, Java is used in the most banking applications development. Okay, the fourth feature of Java is multi-threading. It means once you develop an application in Java programming language, you can run multiple threads of that application concurrently. This is the other best feature of Java programming language. The other feature is rich standard library. Java has very rich library of classes, methods, enumerations, etc. Okay. Other feature of Java is versatility. Java is a versatile programming language. It means through Java we can develop multiple types of applications like web applications. Also we can develop desktop applications, we can develop mobile applications, etc. So this was the most important features of Java programming language. Because of these features, of this strong features of the Java, we use Java programming language for development of multiple type of applications. Okay, so nowadays Java is most popular programming language and is widely used in all over the world. Okay, so from the next section we will start from practical session. Thanks for watching this video.